I want to talk a little bit more about YouTube and LinkedIn, because you're really active both places.
Sure.
So what have you learnings, and who has inspired you to say, I'm just jumping in and doing it?
Yeah. So I'm sure you've seen my LinkedIn. It's more fun. It's not product driven. I do run our company LinkedIn, which I keep that to product driven type things. But my LinkedIn is fun. And, the whole thing for me is like, okay, people take themselves way too seriously on the internet. Like, it is the internet. Like, calm down a little bit and just have some fun, because people get on LinkedIn, again, people might not like to admit this, but it's the truth, to escape the real world. That's the point of social media, is you want to get on there and you want to see what other people are doing. If I post something about a new connector, you're not going to care.
Not excited.
Right? No. But if I put a funny video that you can relate to in regards to sales, or something about one of my dogs, that just gets a better response. And I think the reason why is because people want to get on social media to learn more about you. And I'm not a selfish person, but when it comes to social media, you should promote yourself. It is your own brand, right? And you can do that and elevate others and have a good time. But just be yourself on there and let the chips fall where they may. Don't take yourself so seriously where you're like, oh my God, I have to keep this product. Like, have a little bit of fun and let your personality come through. Yeah. And I think that's the best way for you to build relationships, is just to be yourself on social media. There can be a professional version of yourself where someone reaches out to you about a product. Be professional. But if you're a funny person or someone who likes outdoor stuff or likes whatever, let that come through in your social profile. I just want to be myself, have a good time, poke some fun at the sales process a little bit, maybe ruffle some feathers. And that's the point of it for me. And it's a lot of fun. I don't take myself.
It has to be fun. Yeah. I've done some where I put, behind the scenes video on where I'm laughing or blips. Right. Yeah. And it's just, and you can see people likes it. It's not that I do it every day, but I sprinkled it in.
Right. But I think it's because it shows who you really are. Yeah. And that's what people connect to. People don't connect to, oh, there's Rob posting another power cord. They just don't care about that. It's okay. So you can find me on LinkedIn at Rob Brunson. I've got a little wizard emoji beside me and my picture's a cartoon. You'll see my picture. I actually don't look terrible today, but my picture on the website, I'm telling you, is so bad. So you should definitely go check it out. Screenshot it, put it on LinkedIn, and you guys can roast me. I can take it.
Thanks for listening to this episode of Mind Innovation Special Edition about modern marketing for manufacturing companies and manufacturing reps. New episodes are dropping bi-weekly, so make sure you're following wherever you get your podcasts. You can find me on LinkedIn, search for Sannah Vinding. You can also find me on YouTube, search for Mind Innovation, or go to my website, sannahvinding.com, or check out mindinnovation.com. Stay curious and keep learning.